Good morning, guys. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to record a cleaning vlog. I'm just going to clean with you guys. It's a Sunday and it's just before 10 a.m. and yeah, I've just woken up. I slept around 6 a.m. again. So I've just woken up and I'm just going to tidy up the house, do the dishes, and we'll see how the day goes. So let's go. And if you haven't subscribed, please hit the subscribe button down below to become part of the family. And if you like this video, please give it a massive thumbs up. Thank you. Let's get into the video. So because it's just me at home, I don't have that many dishes to do and the house is not that dirty, but yeah, I just need to clean and make sure it's very clean. So I'm going to do that with you guys. Ooh, my lips are dry. My lips are so dry. Why? If you hear any noise, it's the chickens outside. It's the chicken outside. They can be so loud. They're actually so loud. Even if you want to take a nap, like, they'll be making so much noise. If you're a light sleeper like me, you can't really get in much sleep during the day. So yeah, let's do the dishes. Hello to you once again, bestie. So I'm now done with cleaning up the house and doing the dishes, and it's time for me to take a bath. So I just decided to come on here to show you guys what I use. I'm not going to take the bath with you guys, but I'm just going to show you what I use for my bath routine. So this is just my toothpaste and my toothbrush, because oral hygiene is very important. And I also use this body scrub. This is the body scrub that I bought from OIN department store. It's the coconut and coffee one. As you can see, it's almost finished. I use this to exfoliate my body, and then I also use this Dove cream bar. I first use this, and then after using the cream bar, I use this. This is my foam bath. I just decanted it into this bottle because this one is easier to use, because yeah, it has a smaller opening, so it's quite easy to use. And I also use my exfoliating gloves. These are my exfoliating gloves. These are the ones that I use just to make sure I'm clean. And yeah, I'm also going to show you guys what I use for my face, but I already did a morning skincare routine, but I'm just going to show you guys anyway, in case you didn't watch that video. So let me show you that. So for my face, I have two different face washes that I use. The first one is this Cosmo Salicylic Foaming Face Wash, and it has the silicone brush. This is the first one that I use. Apparently this is good for acne prone skin, and it's also good for your blackheads. It unclogs your pores. And then I also use this face wash because I'm a girl. I always alternate these face washes. I use the Portia Marula face wash, but because I couldn't find the one that I use, I bought this one for men, so I use this. So this is a very mild cleanser, and it doesn't come with a brush, so I use this. This is my facial brush. It has 5 different attachments, but I use this attachment for washing my face. And yeah, that's basically it. That is what I use. So let me take a bath, and I'm going to close off this vlog right now. Thank you very much for watching. If you like this type of content, please do join the family. And if you're watching my video and it's not your first time here, which means you came back, please hit the subscribe button to become part of the family. And if you like this video, please give it a massive thumbs up to show me that you like the video. If you like my video, if you comment, which means you're engaging, YouTube will notice that people are liking my content, and then they push my content to more people. And if we push the content to more people, which means the family grows and we can actually do more content. So don't be shy to comment down below. If you don't want to type a long message, you can just put hearts. You can just say anything. You can just put hearts. You can just put XOXO. It's fine with me, because YouTube just recognizes that as engagement. So yeah, let's go take a shower so that we can find something to eat after this. Do a video. This is